Hi guys, my name is Kaylee. I have been an au pair in Germany for almost a year. I am almost done. I have about a month and a half left. I'm so sad, but it has been an absolutely amazing year, and I wanted to do a short little video to kind of tell you why it is that I chose to become an au pair. I think my story is maybe a bit different because I know a lot of people have like very specific reasons. I kind of just winged it. So I graduated from college with my bachelor's degree in May of 2021, and a year prior I was supposed to study abroad in Würzburg, Germany, but that got canceled due to COVID. I was absolutely devastated. All I wanted to do was experience living in Germany. So after I graduated, I was like, you know what? I would love to travel around Germany. Maybe I'll take a trip, maybe I'll do that. Like, I was trying to find a way to go to Germany for a little while, or just Europe in general, and just travel for a bit before I either did more school or got like a big girl job or something like that. So I was scrolling through TikTok one day and I saw this girl who was an au pair in Italy, and she kind of like showed what she did that day and like what being an au pair was, and I was like, I could do that. And she said she used AuPairWorld.com. So I went on to AuPairWorld.com and was like, this is interesting. I had no idea what being an au pair was. I read a bit about it on AuPairWorld, and then I was like, okay, cool. So I made my profile. Didn't think anything of it. I was like, this is, I'm just messing around at this point. Made my profile, but being the perfectionist that I am, was not just going to like halfway do it. I was very diligent with it. I spent probably 2 hours making my profile and making it as best as I could. And then I was like, okay, cool. Posted my profile, closed my laptop, went to sleep. The next morning, I woke up to 16 messages from host families from Germany mainly, and a couple of other European countries, but mainly Germany, because that was my main goal. And I was like, wow, okay, so that worked well. I set up some video conferences with some host families, again, thinking it would go nowhere. I think I had 3 or 4 families that I talked to. They were all lovely, but within 5 minutes of talking to my current host family, I was like, I could totally go live with them and be their au pair and hang out with them daily and travel with them and do all these things. So we made another appointment for a few days later, and I called my dad afterwards. I was like, okay, Dad, do you know what being an au pair is? He was like, nope. I was like, okay, cool. Me neither. So I kind of explained to him what I had figured out so far about the host family, and he was like, okay. And I was like, okay. So yeah, the rest is history. I had the next meeting with my host family, and I was like, I absolutely would love to come be your au pair. And we signed the contract, got my plane ticket, and I moved to Germany as their au pair 2 months later, because I wanted to travel, and I made that known to them that all I really wanted to do was travel, and that I would do whatever they needed me to do in order to make that work. And they have worked super well with me on letting me travel all the time, and I also get to travel with them when they go on trips, and it has been absolutely wonderful. So my reason for becoming an au pair is because I wanted to travel, and it was the best opportunity that I found for me at the time to be able to travel. So that is why I became an au pair.